We created our object analytics app. This offers statistical data on objects aggregated from multiple sensor sources. It offers standard ITS data points, speed, length, weight, width, height, dwell times, headway gap, 85th percentile, etc. The data is broken out by object type and object classification. You can group the data by zone or sensor if you wish. You can download reports with whatever time slices you want, download down to the seconds. Interval time for interval reports is configurable down to 30 seconds. You get access to really fine-grained data. Automatic data pruning by age if you want to ensure the product keeps itself cleaned up. Data storage is optimized to save on space. A year of data may only take up a few megabytes of storage. We created our Data Fusion app, SPM Plus. There were three things that we wanted to accomplish with this app just to justify the plus in the name. Leverage the details that LiDAR provides to create some much more accurate information, and extend it to include important safety metrics so it helps improve safety on top of efficiency. And lastly, incorporate data fusion by bringing in data from sensors and the traffic signal to derive some much better insights. To start, we added a bunch of pedestrian metrics like belated walkers, jaywalking, individual walk times, just to name a few. Then we added some other safety metrics like passage counts by indication, which lets you know of drivers running yellow lights or red lights. After that, we took the concept of existing SPM metrics and figured out ways to enhance them with the new level of detail that LiDAR provides. For example, turning movement counts, which now get deduced by the actual movement each traveler makes, not by the lane they were in. We also enhanced turning movement data by including traveler time and delay for each movement, which tells you how long it takes for each traveler to execute that movement. We also took arrivals and paired passages with them, so you can see at what point cars entered and left the phase. Then, similar to arrivals and passages, we added ingress and egress for pedestrians. This indicates when they stepped in and out of the crosswalk. So now you have access to pedestrian behavior to compare against the state of the phase, just like cars. There are a lot of other little things that we did to essentially take advantage of what we had access to when using LiDAR. You can download reports with whatever time slice you want, down to the second. Interval time for interval reports is configurable down to a single cycle. So you get access to really fine-grained data. Automatic data pruning by age. So if you want to ensure the product keeps itself cleaned up. Data storage is optimized to save on space. So a year of data may only take up a few megabytes of storage.